Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Urad dal dosa. My favorite food is masala dosa. So thought of making this version which is 40% lesser in calories than masala dosa. It is very easy to make and you can also feel the crispiness of the dosa here. To make this simple dosa I'm going to take 1 cup of urad dal. Here I'm taking whole urad dal and I'm going to wash it a couple of times. This is excellent for bone health and filled with proteins. My grandmother used to make this and give it to me and my sister. So this recipe also has a lot of memories attached. After washing it nicely, I'm going to soak it in enough water and I'm going to keep it for around 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, I'm going to transfer it into a mixer grinder and I'm going to grind it adding little water. Now it's ready. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. You can see the thickness of the batter. You cannot have dosa with this batter, so I'm going to add water. Here I'm adding 1 cup of water. So this is a very easy dosa with no jhanjat of fermenting. I'm just adding some salt to taste, and for crispiness I decided to add rice flour. So I decided to add 3 heaped tablespoons of rice flour. As you can see, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of rice flour for crispiness and a pinch of baking soda just for some fluffiness. This is optional. Now give the batter a good mix. You can soak your dal previous night and the next morning you can just grind it into a batter and make yummy dosas instantly for breakfast. It is quite an easy recipe. Now when you get the perfect batter consistency, which is flowy batter consistency, you can start making your dosa. Here I am heating the skillet and greasing the pan. Now I am going to pour the batter and just making dosa here. Now if you are a Weight Watcher, you can add oil according to your preference. Cover it and let it cook. You can heat it more and make crispy if you want to. I personally like crispy dosas and I like to have it with sambar. You can serve it with sambar or chutney or whatever you want to have it with. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this video, and bye guys.